Welcome to Arun's Techforge Python programming series. I am Arun Barua and I welcome you to the Python programming series. So let us begin.
Till now, we are learning Python and we are in chapter 6 function. Today, I am going to tell you about a very important concept, that is passed by reference. Those of you who already know programming languages like C and C++ and other high level language, you might know that we can pass a value by val and by reference. However, in Python, all parameters are passed by reference. It means the address of the physical memory location is passed, or the reference to the memory location is passed. So, if you change what a parameter refers to within a function, the changes also reflect back in the calling function. Now see, in this diagram, say this is, think that this is a variable where I am storing a name of a person, okay, John Smith, and the address of that particular memory location is this 1000. Now, if I pass this variable as a parameter to a function, right? As a parameter to a function, then actually we are passing the address of this particular variable to that function. Now think this function parameter is receiving the address of this variable. Now if the function performs some changes, that will be reflect back to this particular variable or back to the particular memory location. Now think that the function change it to John Doe. This will be permanently reflect back to this particular variable. I have seen many developers who has written many tutorials in the internet, and they argue that there is no documentation available in python.org which tells that whether the parameters are passed by reference or passed by value. I think those guys are wrong, and I will show this with an example now. Okay, so let us come to this particular environment. Okay, now I already did this one, however I will redo again for you guys. Okay, let us begin. Let us create a ORIGINAL original list list. Suppose we will write fruit fruit list equals to, there we write say ORANG orange, then BANANA banana. Okay, so let us now add this to the fruit list, run it. Now let us print and see, print ORIGINAL original fruit list, and here you type this, okay, and run it. You are getting these fruits. Okay, now let us define a function that change this fruit list when we pass this fruit list, okay, to this function df. Now, so what do I write? We can write anything. Change value, suppose. Okay, value. So of original original function, and you can pass. This is just a placeholder. Actually, you can give any name. So I am giving, say, the name list. Okay. Now we will change this. Now let us change original fruit list. Okay. Now here what we will do, we will add few more fruits. List dot append, right? So here what we will do, or better I will write like this. What we will write, any other fruits, then what will say apple. Apple is not there, right, above? Okay, we are appending these two. Now let us print modifid modified list from the function, and you pass the list. We are not returning anything but return a void, right? We will run this right now. What is the syntax error? Probably yes, there is a syntax error. See, I forgot to type this. Run it again. Yes. Now let us call this function and pass the original fruit list. Okay. So what we do here, pass it, and let us copy it quickly and pass the list. Call the original list again and see. If the list does not change, it means it is not changed, right? Then pass by reference would be false. Now let us run, and you see that the original list is changed. So we could successfully append the original list. So it means in Python, all the parameters to a function is passed by reference. And those of you who tries in, say, who will find a job at certain point of time, remember that this will be one of the interview questions, and the interviewer may argue that it is nowhere written whether it is passed by reference. If you say that in Python all the parameters are passed by reference, and that guy may say no, you are wrong, this is passed by, it is nowhere it is mentioned it is passed by reference. They can argue that it is passed by value. In that point of time, you can write this program quickly and show them, see, this is the result. Now you decide whether it is passed by reference or passed by value. Okay, so this will be one interview questions, please keep in mind, and this is one of the important concept which I explained you right now. And that is the end of this topic. We will continue in later tutorials, so stay tuned. And if you like the content, do subscribe and share also, and also give a comment. So at this point of time, I would like to say that please concentrate on the content of the material. Okay, so thank you so much and stay tuned.